Alright, this is a quick fix for your gas grill. What happens a lot of times, these flame tents, they call them, or heat tents, you want to call them, either they rot out or they rot out, and where the mounting goes, they rot out. So you can see here, there's big gaping holes here where the little shelf that comes out to hold these in place rots out. Well, there's a quick fix for that. It'll buy you some time. Okay, tools you're going to need over here. You're going to need a drill with a 1/4 inch or a little larger than a 1/4 inch bit, some tin snips, a pair of pliers. I'm using 1/4 by 20 little bolts and washers and nuts. And you can buy these kits. I bought these at Menards, the universal stainless steel heat tent kits. There's 3 pieces in here. They're telescoping. Okay, but I'm going to get away with, I'm Scottish, so I'm going to use 2 kits. I can take this one back. So I bought 3 originally, but I can use 2, and I'll show you why. So what I do is I drill a hole on either end, right here, right below where it's all rotted out here, and then over here, same thing. All right. Then I'm using 2 of the pieces out of one of the kits for mine because it's a, what is it, 17, 19 inch, whatever it is. And it's important, I think, when you slide these together, they're designed to slide together, but take your pliers and kind of crimp these down a little bit just to keep it a little bit tighter so it doesn't keep sliding. It keeps it from sliding. And you just set it down in there, drop it on those bolts, and it's balanced. It's going to sit there. Now you've got a quick fix for that, all right? So, what I've got, in this case here, 2 that are exactly the same. I'm going to set it down in there. And this one's a little different because one of my shelves is still in here, so I'm using 1 bolt. But I'm going to just kind of hold it like that, then pull it out so I know approximately where I want it. And you take your pliers and you just crimp it here so that it doesn't move around too much or fall off. Give it a good crimp, really squeeze it in there tight, like so. And that'll keep that thing from sliding back and forth on you all the time. Alright, so I'm left, after I use those 2 kits, I'm left with 2 pieces right here, and they're too long together and they won't slide together. So what I'm going to do is I started to bend this out already. I'm going to take a tin snips. You can see where I bent this one out, and I marked them. I set it in there and kind of marked where it needs to be so this piece can slide into this. I'm going to cut this excess off. All right, so I marked it. You pull this up with the pliers so you get your tin snips in there. And you don't have to do this. You can buy 3 kits if you want to. I just want to save the money. And I'm just going to nip that out of there on both sides. And then when I'm done with that, on both sides, I'll be able to utilize this piece. There's that cut I just made, and you see it'll slide right up in there. Now obviously I can't slide all the way in there because I've got the other side to cut yet. But you get the point. You can actually take 2 kits and get 3 heat tents depending on the size of your grill. So I'm just modifying this. I get to take that other $9 kit back and get my money back and spend it on something else. So there you go, quick review. Grill rots out, shelves are gone. Drill a 1/4 inch hole, put a bolt in there, put a bolt at both ends, get your general purpose repair kit. It's going to hang right on there just like that, and you're good to go for a while. You don't have to buy a new grill. There you go. Thanks for watching.